god, dude.
Oh, what? No, dude. It sounds so good. It sounds like a fucking plane. Dude, we fucking did it. Woo!
Fuck yeah, bro.
What do you want from me? Get away from me!
You know what I fucking want!
I don't know what the fuck you want! What do you know what you want?
You know what the fuck I want!
No, I don't!
I'm a fucking subscriber! I want answers! I want answers! You think you could fucking ignore me, didn't ya? Didn't ya? Huh? I know you see the comments. I know you see the
I don't know what you're
comments.
talking about!
Yeah? I know you fucking see the comments.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I've been following your build. I have a 335 of my own and I was thinking about single turboing it. I just have a few questions. Fuck your questions! Don't fucking yell at me! You gotta answer my questions.
There's nothing you can do to make me answer your questions.
Nothing. Nothing? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna fucking tickle you.
No! 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 No!
Yeah! 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 You gonna talk now? Yeah! Yeah! Okay! Alright!
I'll answer.
Let me go get him.
I'll answer.
So I gotta ask you, man. Why didn't you guys just pull the whole motor?
Well, you know, it seemed like pulling the whole motor would be too much work because dropping the subframe is just easier, to be honest. We just got an engine brace and we just fucking put it up, took the subframe down, and there we go. Turbo's right there, ready to go.
Where'd you get that engine brace from?
We actually got it from Harbor Freight. It was probably like $80, but definitely worth it.
That's not bad.
Mm-hmm.
How did you even learn how to do all this?
Well, like I self-learned, I guess. Fucking certified YouTube mechanic. Can't figure something out? Google it.
So, what's your wheel setup you're running?
Right now I got Apex ARC8s. They're 18 inches, 8.5 in the front, 9.5 in the rear. Front's got a 38 millimeter offset. Rear's got a 35 millimeter offset. Tires, Michelin Pilot Super Sports, and they're 235, 265.
So, like, all in all, you know, if I was thinking about doing this, how long did it take you guys to do this?
It took about 40 hours across 4 days, you know, 12-9 shifts. Took a while, but, you know, it was more time consuming than difficult, in my opinion. But
I have an original question. I don't think anybody has asked this. How much power are you making?
oh, if you check out this video in the description, it shows our dyno video where we made 563, 580 torque to the wheels.
Wow.
Yep, 20 psi, E50 fuel. Not too shabby.
So why'd you even do this whole thing? Did the stockers blow?
Yes, my stock turbos were smoking. I believe I blew the turbo seals. I attribute that to my Burble mod and my two-step. Because those turbos had about 120 something thousand miles on them. And yeah, explosions right next to the turbine aren't too good, I guess.
So, let's see what I got here. So you're making a lot of power. You done anything to the rear end? Is that stock differential in there or what, dude?
Yep. Stock differential. Only thing that has been done are polyurethane bushings for the differential and subframe.
So how's that Spec 3 clutch holding up?
Pretty good. It's not the best clutch, I guess, but
Why do you say that?
because it stutters when you take off with low RPMs, and it chatters a lot with the AC on and just idling. But that's because of the single mass flywheel. But other than that, it's a pretty fucking race car, and it's awesome.
Sick, dude.
Yeah.
So like if I wanted to run E85, what else do you need other than the JB4?
Pretty much just, you can run E30 fuel with a stock fuel pump, but if you want to run anything higher up to E60, you need a stage 2 at least fuel pump. And then if you want to run fully A5, you're going to want to have port injection as well as maybe like a stage 3 fuel pump, especially if you're getting over the 600 wheel horsepower range.
Now how am I gonna know how to install like a stage 2 or 3 fuel pump?
Well, you could just check out our video. It'll be in the description.
Oh yeah, I think I've seen it. Right.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
Alright, so, you know, I gotta ask you. I haven't seen it in the comments, you know? But what exhaust are you running?
Well, funny thing about that is it's stock.
Duh!
Yeah. Pretty much stock mid pipe with a cat delete and PE mod. So
Would you just...
nothing. Nothing.
Did you...
Breaker chains.
Alright, man. I see you guys doing this in the garage. That's not bad. You seem... You know what you're doing, you know? How much would you charge me to do mine?
We wouldn't. Yeah, we wouldn't.
No?
No.
No?
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Alright, so I see all these people going single. And I'm like, why not just upgrade the twins?
Well, it's less hassle having one turbo rather than two. Better reliability, I guess. So you don't have to deal with as much stuff. And it sounds cool.
It sounds cool.
Yeah. And you can have more power.
More power.
What's
I heard the
there's
twins
this
aren't
like?
really reliable.
They're not. Especially upgraded stock frame twins. You're pretty much guaranteed to have blown seals by 3,000 miles. So what's the point? Just go single. Just do it. Fuck them.
Fuck 'em.
Fuck them.
So what about PCV? What'd you do for that?
PCV. Right now I'm running RB PCV valve as well as a BMS catch can.
BMS catch can, huh?
Yeah.
Where you got that routed?
It's vented to atmosphere right now because on the stock setup you would be running it to the rear inlet, but I don't have rear inlets, so vent to atmosphere.
Makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Let's get down to the real fact, you know? You guys are called budget beamers, huh?
Yeah.
I've been looking up single turbo prices, you know? And I'm just not finding what I want to find, you know? Like, how much did this cost you, bud?
There's cheap setups like on 3 and
There
it
is.
works.
Oh, yeah?
You know,
Well, you didn't go with that one, huh?
no, I wanted
No,
high quality.
you wanted quality,
Yeah,
huh?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, all right. Why don't you give me a ballpark number?
I mean, the kit itself was 5,300.
5,300.
Yeah, plus 1,400 for the clutch and flywheel setup. And then miscellaneous odds and ends is probably, I don't know, it probably ended up being like $8,000.
$8,000? What the fuck? No! If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Maybe it was too much effort for a Q&A video. Maybe not. But we fucking did it anyway.
Yeah. Make sure you share, comment, subscribe. Throw more questions down there in the comments if you want.
Any more questions about the single turbo?
Or anything else.
Or anything else, you know?
DE46.
The
Our lives.
yeah.
Village Beamers.
Like our favorite colors.
Red.
You didn't even give him a chance to ask.
My favorite number is 45 too.
We're not just telling them things. It's
Oh.
they're gonna leave a comment if they.
Oh,
Yeah, we're not just saying
okay.
stuff.
Alright, cool. Seems legit.
We'll see you next time. Peace.
And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW. And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW.